forgot to end kept pulling me beyond the map. Every mile looked just the same, but I could never find my way back. The gas station was a skeleton. The pumps were rusted through, but the diner sign was still burning red, and the waitress looked like someone I knew. The highway that forgot to end kept